Hi guys, welcome to another video of mine, and today I'd like to talk to you about online learning. And this is sort of an extension of my previous video, which was about interviewing and some hints about interviewing. If you want to see that video, just click right here. And this is sort of an extension of that episode, and what I'd like to talk in more detail are some websites that I have found very useful. When it comes to learning, there are of course different styles of learning. Some people prefer being in a class, some people prefer online training, and I think there is a space for both. In one case, you want to have a deeper dive with an instructor and be able to interact with them. On the other hand, you may be able to just sort of look around online and find little snippets of information that you are just interested in for what you are currently doing. So these sites are perfect for that, and they are all commercial, but I'm not being sponsored by them at all. These are sites that I have ran into myself, or I have got access to them through the company that I work for. So the first one I'd like to share with you is called Code School. And I really like Code School because it's fairly inexpensive. So like $30 or so a month. You don't have to pay for an entire year. You can just pay monthly and cancel anytime you want. And the reason why I really like this site is because they have high quality material that focuses on a few specific topics like Objective-C or iOS, if you will, and Git and JavaScript frameworks. And their classes are structured in a way where there's instruction and basically in the form of videos. And after that, you'll be able to write some code that's implementing the ideas that you just learned. And you do all of that through a browser, and you get basically scored, and you can gain badges as you go through the classes. But aside from that, it's just a great site to learn from scratch some of these topics. If you're interested in exploring it, you can also just sign up and try some of their classes for free. The basic ones tend to be free, and after that you have to pay. So if you're interested, click right here. The next two websites are really similar to each other. They provide slightly different content. One is called lynda.com and the other one is called pluralsight.com. And both sites have purely just videos, very high quality videos. And I have personally tried just the lynda.com, which is a subsidiary of LinkedIn. And in their case, they have videos on programming and IT, but they also have videos on creative subjects such as photography or creating videos. Highly recommend it, and the link is right here. The next one is very focused. It's especially for AWS or Amazon Web Services, and it assumes that you have some basic understanding of how Amazon Web Services work, but it allows you to do different labs, like creating virtual private clouds or spinning up different instances and bootstrapping them, things like that you can read on, but it's nice to get some practice on how to do that. And the way how they have their labs set up is that they basically provision a user and instances and whatever else that are needed to run the lab, and then you just go with it. And they are, again, fairly inexpensive. You pay by purchasing credits, and a single lab is about 8 credits, and that translates to about $8. So again, very inexpensive. You can really pick and choose the topics that you are interested in and just dive in those. The last one I'd like to share with you is Safari Books. And Safari Books is a little bit different from the other ones because it doesn't offer as many videos. It has some videos, but on a limited basis, but they're good. So don't get me wrong, that's a good content. But the primary reason why Safari Books exists is electronic books. And the majority of technical publications that you'll find are actually there. So you pay a monthly subscription, and then you can have access to any number of these books, and you can read them online. You can download them to your tablet or your phone and just read them there. So I have basically stopped buying books. I basically just go to Safari, find the book I want to read, and I can bookmark it, I can annotate it. It's just a great site if you have already made the mental switch to using electronic books versus printed books. If you haven't, then that's not going to work, right? So in summary, those are some great sites that I highly recommend. They have good quality material. They're commercial, but it's still much cheaper than paying for a 3-day or 5-day class if you are comfortable doing online training versus having an instructor. If you have some other sites that you recommend, please post them below. I'm very interested in seeing some other ones, maybe even better ones that I found. And please like my videos, subscribe, and see ya.